There's a machine in your business right now that's worth about $500,000 a year. You already paid for it, it's already installed, and almost nobody, including probably you, has ever turned it on. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, why it's collecting dust, and the dumb simple reason your competitors are quietly leaving you behind with it. Stick around for the third one, because that's the part most people get wrong. So a buddy of mine runs a services company. Good operator. Last year he spends, I'm not kidding, close to $100 grand on an AI transformation. Consultants, a platform, the whole thing. 6 months later, I ask him how it's going. He goes quiet. Then he says, honestly, we barely touch it. And here's the kicker. While that expensive thing sat there doing nothing, his team was manually chasing leads, forgetting to follow up, losing deals they'd already paid to generate. He spent 6 figures on the future and was bleeding cash on the present. And his story is not rare. It's the rule. Because here's what the data actually says. 88% of companies now use AI somewhere. Sounds great, but only about a third have actually scaled it past a pilot. And fewer than 1% of executives report real, significant return on it. Read that again. Almost everybody bought the tools. Almost nobody got the money. Roughly 70% of automation projects fail to deliver what they promised. But, and this is the part nobody says out loud, they don't fail because the technology is bad. They fail because of how people roll it out. So let me show you the one automation that quietly prints money, the one sitting unplugged in basically every business I walk into. You ready? It's not some sci-fi agent. It's not a robot. It's follow-up. Automated, relentless, never forgets follow-up, wired to a single source of truth about your customer. I know. You expected something sexier. That boredom you're feeling right now, that is exactly why this is worth $500,000 and nobody uses it. The unsexy stuff is where the money hides. Watch the math. 73% of sales opportunities are lost in the follow-up phase. 80% of sales need 5 or more touches, but 44% of reps quit after 1. Picture your own pipeline for a second. 500 leads a month, $2,000 deal, 10% close rate. Now imagine you only follow up on half of them, which statistically is generous. That gap? That's $600,000 a year, walking out the door, quietly, every single month. And you already paid to get those leads in the first place. So why does nobody turn it on? Quick gut check. Be honest with yourself here. 1, it's boring. There's no press release for, we set up follow-up emails, so it never becomes a priority. 2, everybody assumes it's already happening. It isn't. Your reps are only selling about 28% of their time. The rest is admin, hunting for info, and forgetting to circle back. 3, and this is the one I told you to wait for, companies treat it like an IT project instead of a revenue engine. They hand it to a committee, it gets a 6-month timeline, and the people who'd actually use it were never trained or never bought in. The tool was never the problem, the rollout was. And when people actually use this stuff, the numbers are almost rude. Average automation return is around 240%, paid back in 6 to 9 months. $8 back for every dollar in. One company cut proposal time from 3 weeks to 2 hours, and revenue went up 5% off that alone. Oh, and remember I said one machine? There's a twin sitting right next to it. Your team loses about 9 hours a week, a full day, just searching for information. Scattered notes, 12 tabs. Who has the latest version? Connect your follow-up to one clean source of truth, and you fix both at once. You stop losing deals, and you stop losing the day. So here's what to actually do this week, not next quarter. 1. Pick one leak. Inbound leads that don't get a reply is the usual winner. 2. Automate the follow-up sequence. 5 touches spread over 2 weeks, triggered the second a lead comes in. Speed matters. Reply in 5 minutes, and you're up to 9 times more likely to close. 3, and this is the part everyone skips, get your team to actually use it. Show them, don't announce it. One process, 60 days, measure against your baseline. Don't buy more software. Turn on what you already own. Look, your competitor probably has the exact same tools you do. Same CRM, same inbox, same leads coming in. The only difference is going to be who actually flips the switch. The $500,000 machine isn't something you go buy, it's something you go turn on. So here's my question for you. Drop it in the comments. What's the one follow-up you know your business is dropping right now? Be honest. I read these. If this reframed how you think about automation, hit subscribe. Next video, I'm breaking down the exact 5-touch sequence I'd build first. I'll see you there.